Volcanoes have shaped our world in ways we often forget. Hidden beneath the surface, they hold secrets of the Earth's fiery past. Today, we uncover the story of one such forgotten volcanic giant in Mississippi. Then we'll tell you exactly where the volcano is located, which will shock you. Let's take a look at Jackson, Mississippi. Beneath the bustling city of Jackson, Mississippi, lies a geological marvel that dates back millions of years. This is the story of the Jackson Volcano. Around 66 million years ago, during the Cretaceous period, the landscape of what is now Mississippi was vastly different. The western interior seaway extended into the region, creating a rich environment for marine life, but deep beneath the surface, powerful forces were at work. As the North American plate moved over the Bermuda hotspot, volcanic activity surged. The Jackson volcano was born, erupting and shaping the land around it. Over time, repeated uplifts and volcanic intrusions formed what we know now as the Jackson Dome. Local legends speak of a time when the Jackson volcano was revered by American Indian tribes. They believed that the volcano was a dwelling place of powerful spirits who controlled the forces of nature. According to the legend, these spirits would occasionally awaken, causing the ground to tremble and the air to fill with a mysterious glow. It was said that these spirits protected the land and its people, ensuring bountiful harvest and abundant wildlife was available. It's a shame this vibrant energy powerhouse is covered, but it's not forgotten. All right now, so where is this volcano? Where exactly is this volcano where it's actually 2,900 feet below a particular building? Tell you what, let's just do a search on Google Maps and I'm going to take you right straight to where the actual volcano is. Let's do this. The Jackson volcano is 2,900 feet below your Coliseum right downtown. It's on top of an ancient volcano. This was a very spiritual site. It had a lot of spiritual energy. It's covered, yet you feed it energy every time you go to a sporting event or a concert. Once again, the Jackson volcano is under the Coliseum downtown in Jackson, Mississippi. So the next time you visit Jackson, remember the hidden giant beneath your feet. The Jackson volcano, a testament to the Earth's dynamic history, remains unremembered, but not forgotten. Were you, just let me know, were you aware that that volcano was right underneath the Coliseum there? They did not place the sign out where its location was until 2018. A lot of people didn't even know that it even existed. But let us know in the comments, did you know about this volcano being in Mississippi? I would love to hear what you have to say. This is Phoenix Ankaa, and thanks so much for watching Volcanoes Unremembered series.